He's arranging flowers using a 600-year-old Japanese technique that museums display as living art. As once, he bundles lotus stems together to create a hidden base, something most people never notice. Then he slices more stems and inserts tiny wooden picks inside them, giving each flower its own internal skeleton. This lets him control where every petal leans without forcing it. Now, watch closely. The base doesn't just hold water, it locks the entire structure in place while keeping everything alive. Nothing is glued, nothing is tied. Every flower is balanced, not restrained. This is Ikebana, a Japanese technique designed to guide nature, not overpower it.